Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to do a quick video on some car maintenance stuff. If you guys remember way back when I got my cold air intake for this car, this is a 2013 Chrysler 200. I got the K&N Typhoon kit, and it's working out great. Still love it. It's awesome in my opinion, but the conical filter is completely dirty. So I got a recharger kit. This is basically the cleaning kit for these conical filters. You're gonna have a solvent in here. It's gonna clean it all off, and then you have to kind of re-oil it. So it's kind of like a wet air filter in a way. It captures all that little dust and debris and stuff. So I'm gonna take this off. Really simple. Just take the collar off and pop it out and try this kit out. But I want to do kind of a before and after, as well as do a reminder, because cold air intakes are the first thing, besides exhaust systems, it's the first thing that everyone does to their car to try to make it cooler, make it better. You know what I mean? A lot of people into cars but don't have the money or the knowledge to do engine swaps and stuff like that. So what do? You put on a catback, or you get a cold air intake, something like that. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. It's just time to maintain it. So yeah, we're going to see how this works out and see the difference. Because remember, the purpose of putting the cold air intake on is to get more colder air, right? But if it's completely dirty, it's not doing its job. So we're going to clean it, and I'm going to see this first time using this kit, as well as cleaning one of these filters. All right, so that's easy. Popping that off so you can see how dirty this is. All kinds of stuff stuck in there. Now the good news is, looking down in the pipe, so you can zoom in, that looks nice and clean on the inside. So that means the filter is doing its job, not letting in any kind of debris or anything. All right, so here's what's in the box. Very straightforward. We have our cleaner and we have our oil. Instructions are very straightforward as well. Basically apply all the cleaner, and then we're going to rinse it with water completely and then let it dry 100%. Once it's completely dry, then you're going to spray on the oil. All right, so here's the active ingredient in the air filter cleaner. They make this in two different styles. This is the aerosol, which is easier. That's why I got this. But they also have it with, regular liquid. But yeah, there's the active ingredient for the cleaner. Very important to use caution. Don't get it in your eyes, mouth, anything like that. All right, so I just sprayed down the entire filter, the outside as well as the inside, with the cleaner. And you're supposed to wait 10 minutes. Do not let it dry onto the filter. All right, but you're just letting it do its work. So I set a timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes goes by. I'm just going to wash this very thoroughly to make sure all that cleaner is gone. All right, so 10 minutes went by. I just rinsed this. I should have filmed this part because this thing was filthy. Tons and tons of dirt, as well as some red tint, which I guess was the original oil that was on here. So you can see the color now is completely gray. And now it is totally clean, which is good. And you have to let this dry. Naturally air dry until it is completely dried before you reapply the oil. Alright, so the filter is completely dry now. I'm outside because I'm going to be spraying the oil on here. It did say that if it's not completely clean, you can go back and repeat step 1 and 2 until it's totally clean, but it looks good to me. So it's a little windy out here. It's not quite ideal. But you're supposed to stay about 3 inches away, from the filter, and just literally go back and forth on the filter portion of it. So here we go. Don't want it falling out of my hands. So that's all. Wipe off the excess and reinstall it, and we're good with a nice clean filter. Alright, so that's it. Maybe a quick little zoom on there, but you can see filter is nice and clean, even though the rest of the engine bay is nice and dirty. But the most important part is the engine will get plenty of nice, fresh air. No restrictions on this. So overall, very important to replace and clean your air filters in any vehicle. But a lot of people who put these cold air intake systems in, they forget that these filters need to be cleaned as well. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was a little reminder to clean yours if it's dirty. And I thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.